Hey guys, thanks very much indeed for stopping by. Thanks very much indeed for clicking the video. On the project site, molding of blocks, about 5,000 blocks are needed to do a perimeter fencing on these 2 plots of land for the real estate and property business. On the other section of the land, you can see the borehole drillers. The borehole drillers are on the other side section of the land. They are equally here to sink a borehole that will give us water that we are going to use for the entire project. Why we want to sink a borehole first is to enable us to get water that will serve us for the entire building construction here. It's all about choice. You may decide to be buying water outside or be getting water from source in your site in order to save cost. The idea of getting water first is to reduce cost of buying water every day from water tanker. At the end of the day, you may face 1 or 2 challenges of bringing it here. Their vehicle may be fell down, or they may have a flat tire, or their battery may not be working, and all that. That's why we are here to make a borehole first in order to get water. This water is what we are going to use to serve for the entire project. As soon as we have water here, that water is what we're going to use for the building processes. So guys, we are here to document the whole process. We are here to show you the whole processes on these processes of building a project here. You can see the drillers, all hands on deck. They are doing their work. They are doing their work in order to get the water running. Yes. You can see we are documenting the whole process. The block molders are here. We are molding our blocks by ourselves. We are not getting it from the block and the commercial block industry. The reason are there. The reason why we want to mold our blocks by ourselves is to have a very solid and sound blocks. We are molding about 40 blocks per bag. On the other side, when you go to a commercial block industry, what you'll be getting from a bag is between 55 to 60 blocks per bag. But right here, we are molding 40 blocks per bag. You can see the difference. So our blocks, the one we are molding on the site here, are very solid, very, very solid. And we are going to use it for the perimeter fencing. What we are expected to have here is about 5,000 blocks to do the perimeter fencing. We are documenting the whole journey. We will keep you posted. So all the activities are going on here. You can see it. These are gravels that I'll be using to process the borehole. As soon as they get water, they are going to use this grapple to process it. Inside there. See it in the gas. We are documenting the whole processes. That's why we quickly, all hands on deck. The borehole drillers are doing their work. All hands on deck. These are some of the PVC pipes. These are the PVC pipes. And we are going to bury it inside the ground as soon as we get water here. We bury those PVC pipes on the ground. With this PVC pipe, with the help of sumo, they will be able to, with the submersible pump, they will be able to get the water out of the surface. You can see the pipes. Good day, sir.
Yeah, well,
how are you, sir?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Biko, would you like to be on the camera? I draw 1 or 2 questions. Because I'm from Nalulaga. What did you know? Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. I'm okay.
Good afternoon.
I'm JUDDY.
JUDDY. The engineer with this construction company. Drilling borehole na center.
Yes.
Get that for company now?
JUDDY Tech Drilling Company.
JUDDY Tech Drilling Company.
Yes.
You're welcome. Where are you based?
I base you on Onitsha.
Onitsha. In Anambra State, Nigeria.
Yes.
Good. Because the borehole na agbapu ka the borehole I'm on the borehole dị n'uche n'iche nke ọbụla nwere ụdị na ụdị.
Anyị na-drill borehole wee nweta ebe mmiri dị. So ọ bụrụ na anyị ruo na mmiri dịka nke anyị na-arụ ebe a kịta abanyego na mmiri. Mana anyị na-agafe different, enwe about 3 different water there. Mana anyị agafego 3 na-achọzi the main aquifer of that water. Yes, the good water dị ebe a. So nyaka na head now.
And the water, that water got the drinkable.
Very clean water and drinkable water.
Okay. About how many feet are you expected to dig this borehole before you be able to get to the aquifer?
260 feet.
250 feet?
Yeah, 260, but we are now at 170 feet.
170. Okay, good. Because challenges in a physical because I discovered the business of one of the challenges here. As a borehole driller, in many years in this business, the challenges came from the business.
Yeah, the thing that the tankers with them, I cannot milk a chum. So tanker with them be delay. This thing may collapse. And I went pipe stock. But by the grace of God, this one is moving. The tanker man is complying with us. So now on and the ore is moving.
Right.
We don't have any problem here.
That's right.
This everywhere, many places I see airport. Here is the sweetest site.
That's
I
right.
know,
That's right. That's right.
So one have problem here is a virgin land and a virgin place.
It's okay.
So no any spiritual challenge, no any physical challenge. So the work is going well.
That's fine. Biko kedi igala ekwe ka ọhaneze ikpọlọ ha akala gị n'ikuku ada ama because ihe a na onyonyo a na-ese now. Many people all over the world once tinye na YouTube channel ma ọ tinye na Instagram ma ọ na Facebook na Twitter onye ọbụla ga ike ịfụ gị. And when they get like from that place, you'll be able to have 1 or 2 opportunities after this borehole. Because here we are in a global village. And when you see a time when you get 80 number in the where 1 or 2 people got like Hamalo things in the good. Whatever I know as a reference. So I got massive when you got 1 number in the
Okay. Number 080 344 76886. 080 344 76886. Judy Tech drilling borehole.
Judy Tech drilling borehole.
Yes.
Is right here in Achina.
Yes. I want different type of machine.
Okay.
So nke I get na nke I aga lower depth. I want nke I aga far depth like 700 feet deep.
Okay.
So but this one is 260 feet deep.
Okay. That's a shallow machine.
Yes.
A shallow depth.
So this machine on ebe abro na aro
750.
750.
Okay.
I'm a big machine.
Okay.
This one is shallow well machine.
Shallow well machine.
And I'm a deep borehole machine.
Okay.
So
thank you, sir. Thank
yeah,
you very much indeed.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you. Yeah. The work is